In this video, we're going to talk about the pointer to pointer. In the previous video, we have talked about the pointer, and we said that the pointer is a variable that contains the address of another variable and also points to the value of the same variable. Here we said that x is a variable and contains the value of 5, and this is its address in memory location. And this y is another variable that points to the value of this x, that points to this 5 and contains the address of this x. Address of this x is 5D1FF9BC, and this y contains that exact address, 5D1FF9BC. And this y variable also has its own address in memory location. And here we have explained that this is x, this is the value of x, and here we print the address of x, and here this is the y, this is the pointer. We said that we represent the pointer with this star notation. Here we also print the value of y, and here the address of y, and here we print the value that y points to. That value is 5. So what is the pointer to pointer? Pointer to pointer is that we have another variable, we have the third variable that points to this y. Y itself is a pointer, but we have another variable that points to this pointer. So for example, here we have int p, but in pointer to pointer, we show the pointer notation with double star p. So here we say p is equal to ampersand y. This p points to the value that y points to. And also this p contains the address of this y. For example, here we have the variable p, and the value of this p is address of this y. This is the address of y. We're going to copy that and paste it. This x is our first variable, and its value is 5, and it has an address in memory, and this y was our pointer. That value of this y was address of this x. This is the address of x, and this address is value of this y. And also this y has its own address. This p is our pointer to pointer. The value of this p is address of this x. This is the address of x, and this is the value of this p. And also it has its own address in memory. For example, this is the address of p in memory location. So let's print the address and the value of this p and see in more detail. So here I'm going to copy this 3printf function, and I will paste it here. So I'm going to change the value of p is, I'm going to change this y to p, and also the address of p is ampersand p. The p points to the, and also here I'm going to change this y to p, and I will also add another star here because we said that in pointer to pointer we use 2 stars. So let's compile and see the output. Here the value of x is 5. The address of x is this number 471FF8BC. The value of y is this number. The value of y and the address of x are exactly the same. The last number of x's address is 8BC, and the value of y is also 8BC. The address of y is this number, 471FF8B0. The y points to the 5. We said that the pointer points to the value of another variable. So 5 is the value of this x, and this y points to this 5. The value of p is this number, 471FF8B0. This number exactly the same with the address of y. The address of y is this, and the last 3 digits of value p is also 8B0. So these two numbers are exactly the same. The address of p is this number. P also has its own address, 471FF8B8. The p points to the 5. 5 is the value of x. Y points to this 5, and we said that pointer to pointer is that a variable points to the value that another variable points to. This y points to this 5, and we said that this p will point to the value that this y points to. So this p points to this 5. So this is the basic information about the pointer to pointer. See you next video and bye for now.